Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to automate the 5 EMA strategy of power of stocks. Okay, the strategy says we should use 5 minutes time frame and 5 EMA plotted. Okay, here for PE entry, the last candle should be closing above the 5 EMA and it should not touch the EMA. Okay, and the next candle should cross below the low of the previous candle. Then we will take entry here we have an entry. Okay, and here we have an entry and it will hit the stop loss, and here we got an entry and it will hit the stop loss. Here we got an entry, here we have an entry, here is an entry, here it will hit the stop loss. Here is an entry, here is an entry, here is an entry. Okay, this is how the strategy works. Okay, next for CE entry we will take 50 minutes candle. Okay, we'll take 50 minutes candle, and the strategy is the previous candle should close below the 5 EMA and it should not touch the EMA, and our next candle should cross above the previous candle high. Okay, that means here the candle has closed below the EMA and it has not touched the EMA, and our next candle has crossed above the high of the previous candle and we got the order. Okay, this is our entry criteria. Okay, let's see how to execute this in our scalping software. Okay, first select the POS PE entry and select ITMP and click by PE to add PE strategy. Okay, next select ITMC for CE and POS CE entry for CE strategy and add by CE for adding CE strategy. Okay, and for PE to exit we should select previous high break. Okay, and add PE exit, and for CE to exit select previous low break and add CE exit. It acts as a profit target and stop loss at the same time, and it also helps us to trail our profit. Okay, let's see how this strategy works. Okay, here we got an order because our previous candle has closed above the EMA and our current candle has crossed below the low of the previous candle and we got the order. Okay, I hope you all understand how to automate 5 EMA strategy using our scalping software. If you want this software, please open the website mkcodez.com and subscribe and download. Okay. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Thank you for watching.